Oh man, beautiful to see Ashley Ogle having a fun-filled day with the faves. I mean, I'm just looking at people, going crazy, guys. The emotions are high, the love is real. You can tell. See, abanye, they still can't believe they're there. They are there, like in her presence, but you can tell. See, they can't believe they're right there with her. Beautiful.
Oh, gee. Oh, yes, I am. Hi. Hello.
The setup is top notch. The love is real. I mean, it's just a fun full day. It's flowing. Faves are getting their merch signed. Kids are busy, saying Ashley's name in the background. In fact, they're singing Ashley's name in the background. Papi's Ashley. These kids are so cute.
You tell her you're like,
Are we all done one? Oh, someone. Now, a group picture. Yes, please.
yes.
Yeah, come on.
Whose phone are we taking the picture with?
This one.
Okay.
I always say with Ashley Ogle, she's loved and she's definitely loved. And you can see it, man. Everywhere she goes, whatever she does, people are always supporting and showing her the love, which is everything.
Oh, sorry. Can you please like the big ones? The big Ashley. Oh, yes.
Signing merch there, mingling with fans. She's all smiles, looking absolutely amazing as per usual because she never disappoints. It's definitely another beautiful one. Please do subscribe, comments, like, and share.